Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace display on Samsung Galaxy G5. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and LCD screen for Samsung G5. To disassemble Samsung G5 we will need section cap and plastic mediator. Display module on Samsung G5 glued around perimeter of phone, and we need to heat the surface phone. For this we will use a hairdryer, because this will make it easier to remove the display module. Set section cap on display and pull up until gap between a phone casing and display. By easy and carefully move separate phone case and display module. The most difficult thing is to separate display in a place where home button. And now separate display module from the phone and disconnect LCD cable. Now we take a new display module. In description of this video I left link to same kit as mine. Do not rush to install display. First, connect and check display for other defects. And if your display is working properly, we will start installing it. Again remove the display, and now we need to remove the old glue from the phone case. Now you can apply an adhesive pad or special glue for phone. Also, I left link to glue in description. Set the speaker grill, connect display cable to the main board of phone, then press display to the phone case. Now we can turn on phone, remove the film and use the phone. That's all.